Hi, welcome to the Learn by Doing Core DBA Skills module from SQL Server Central and Redgate Software. I'm Steve Jones, and I'm going to give you the third answer to our quiz on full backups and how you can take them. In the previous instances, we actually took two full backups, one with the GUI and one with T-SQL. I'm actually going to step over to another instance I have on the same machine here, and you see I have a number of databases listed. I'm going to use SQL Backup this time to perform the backup. I could add my other instance here, but I hadn't installed these server components, and since this is beta software SQL Server 2014, I didn't want to make any mistakes. So let me go to my other database. In this case, I'm going to pick database 1 here on my other instance, and I'm using SQL Backup. I can click Backup very quickly. You can see here that I get a number of options in the wizard. I have a full backup with one database selected. I can change any of these options that I might choose to do. In this case, I'm choosing a single backup file. I'm going to let that run. It's going to go to my default location. Compression is enabled by default, and I can change the level of compression. I could add encryption if I choose, multiple file or multiple threads if I wanted, checksum, verify. Number of options that the normal backup allows you to do, but in this case we have defaults that try to make sure that you do checksum and you will do verify and other things like that. You'll see here I've got a script that I could run in T-SQL if I chose, or I could just click finish and the backup will in fact run. Once that runs, if I come over here and I look at my SQL Server instance, which is my default instance in the backups, we'll see that we're actually running a full backup here today. That's occurring DB1. It's given it a name. It's a SQL backup file with that extension. This is the same file that's run here. If I look at this file name over here, I'd have to copy this over to see it, but that's how I would run a backup in SQL Backup, and of course I could schedule that job as well to run on a regular basis and have it take care of things for me. This has been an answer to the full backup quiz in the Learn by Doing series from SQL Server Central and Redgate Software.